Whenever you join almost any Discord server, you'll find that there are different bots managing different things and ultimately improving the plain Discord experience. Today, I'll show you how you can research your own bots and easily add them to your servers. So the first thing you want to do is head over to a website called top.gg. In here, you can research thousands of different bots that have been uploaded to the website and the different statistics like how popular the bot is, how many servers are using them, and so on. So in the search bar, you can type in whatever you want the bot to do. For example, if you want to manage roles, you can type in roles and it will give you a bunch of different suggestions. So if we click on that, we then get suggested with a bunch of different bots that might be using it. And I usually go by popularity, so the top bot is usually the best one that is suggested. So you can head over to the website for the bot, and in here it tells you a little bit more about it. It might give you a list of different commands that it uses, the moderation or anything like that, just basically more details about the bot. You'll also find the invite link right at the top of the page. So when you click on the invite button, it will take you to the Discord page, and in here you can of course add it to your server. So you just select the server from the drop down menu, click continue, and it will ask you any permissions that the bot might need. In this case it's administrator. Sometimes you may not want to actually give a bot administrator privileges because then it could technically do whatever it wants. So you may want to find a different bot if you don't like this one. In my case, I am a little skeptical about that one, so I'm going to choose the Dank Memer. And another thing about this is sometimes in the bottom you'll find a website link to the bot itself. And in here it's going to give you even more details about all the commands, the documentation, and all of the other details for setting up the bot. So I like this one because it doesn't want the administrator privileges and instead it has all of the privileges listed in here. So I'll click authorize, and now just like that, the bot has been added to our server, and you can see welcome Dank Memer, and you can see it's online and everything should be working. I don't really know too much about this bot, I don't really know what it does, but this is basically how you add a bot to your server. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.